up, guys? I'm back. I seem to have a little fantail friend today, which is awesome. Today I've got here Dog with me, who is very energetic and in great need of an outing because he is going crazy in lockdown. I can say I can relate to that because I don't like being in lockdown either. So I'm up here at Seaview because in my eyes, since it's abandoned, it's the safest place to be because no one actually comes up here. No one's allowed up here. So I texted Aiden and I said, I'm going to come up here. And he said, sweet as any time. So here I am. Lovely abandoned building. So no one has been here. My usual hiding place is always open for me to sneak on in there. And yeah, I'm actually up here to check on my spider Sally that I set loose because I could not provide her with enough food being in lockdown around my house. So what I've done is set her loose here with her egg sac. And yeah, it's been a couple of weeks now, I think. Nearly a couple of weeks. I don't know, I have to go back and check when I uploaded the last video. But yeah, it's been a while since I last checked on her and her egg sac. And as you guys know, if you watched the last video, I actually left my enclosure here. So we'll go in there and see if it's actually still in there. Because like you, I'm going to see this with completely fresh eyes and have not seen this yet. So I'm going to let Dog run amok and have his fun while I go check on this. So let's go see. So here I am. The same spot. Oh, it's still here. Nah, out. Stay out. And the egg sac's still there. I wonder if she abandoned it. I don't know about shed webs. I didn't think they abandoned their babies. Is there anything in there? No, she's not in there. Very interesting. We'll see if we can... No. She might just be in there. She was protective of her babies. Let's see if we can coax her to come out. Oh. Doesn't seem to be any action here. What about in here? Whoops. My bad. What about in there? No sheet web spider. No. Very interesting. I wonder where she's gone. I really don't want to move this just in case I hurt the egg sac. But for you guys, I really want a bit of closure to see if this girl is still here. Oh, and still okay. Oh wow, she's moved up the whole area. Okay, so that's a good sign. That means that she's still around here somewhere. And my job is just to locate her. Egg sac seems to be doing really good. There is nothing under there. I wonder where this girl is hiding. She was so aggressive last time, I don't want her to come out. I think I'll just leave it. Because this egg sac can't be far away from hatching, right? Like it's been, what, nearly 40 days since this egg sac was hatched? So I don't know. Like, she's clearly not under there. Like, I don't know where she's disappeared to. Is she under there? No, she's not. Maybe she did abandon them. Oh, I guess we'll just leave that at that. And I'll come back to check on the babies since the mother's abandoned. And Dog has just chased something into the building. Dog? Doggy dog? Dog? Come here, boy. Come here. Doggy dog. What is this pup up to? Dog. Dog. Dude. What the heck? Yeah, okay. Well, alright, since my last video was supposed to be a glowworm doll video and I found a set of kittens, what were you exploring in here? But you came from that way. Okay. That is really, really bizarre behavior. What the heck? I'm just going to amuse myself here. I'm pretty sure that's just dust in the air that dog's kind of... That was really weird. What were you up to? Dude. You were like lost down this end of the building. Yeah, what were you doing? That was me. There was no spirit or anything. That was just me. What were you up to down here? You thought that would... Did you think that was the exit? It's this way. Leading me on a wild goose chase. Anyway, if you liked this video, even though we didn't really get to see Sally because she's abandoned her egg sac, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified of any of my new videos, hit that like button. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Real shame that I couldn't find Sally. Only her egg sac, but you know, it is what it is.